In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share documents in DocHub. By the end, you'll know exactly which sharing option to use and how to set the right access so your document stays secure and organized. Start by heading to DocHub.com and logging in. After you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, which shows your recent and organized documents. Find the file you want to share. Hover over it or open its options, then right-click the file and choose Share or Send. This opens the sharing panel where you'll pick the method that fits your goal. If you choose Send as attachment, you're sending a copy of the document directly to someone's inbox. This is great when the recipient just needs to read or keep a copy and doesn't need to make changes in DocHub. Keep in mind, because it's an attachment, changes they make to their copy won't sync back to your original. If you select Send Sign Request, you're asking one or more people to sign the document electronically. Use this when you need a signature and want DocHub to handle the routing and tracking. It keeps everything in one place, helps avoid version confusion, and gives you a clear record of who signed and when. If you pick Get Shareable Link, DocHub generates a link you can paste into a message, chat, or anywhere your team communicates. This is ideal for quick sharing, but remember that a link can travel, so you'll want to pair it with thoughtful access settings. Before you finalize any of these methods, review your access controls. In the Edit Access area, set the privacy to match your needs, whether you want the document tightly restricted or discoverable to people with the link. Confirm the owner is correct so the right account maintains control over sharing and visibility. Choose the folder to keep the file organized. This helps you and your collaborators find it later and apply consistent settings. For sensitive material, consider checking the option to disallow viewers and signers from copying the document. This helps protect your content by preventing downloading or copying, which is especially useful for contracts, proprietary information, or anything you don't want circulated. That's it. Go to your DocHub dashboard after logging in, right-click your file, and select Share or Send, pick Send as attachment, Send Sign Request, or Get Shareable Link, then fine-tune privacy, owner, and folder, and optionally disallow copying. With these settings dialed in, you'll share confidently and keep control of your documents.